Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to become friends and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Okay, so I have the Eyescream box. I ordered it March 1st and I actually got March's box. Now this box, I think it gives you 5 full-size items. I'm pretty sure you get a palette in every box and it's $25. So I wasn't sure if I was going to get March's or not, but I'm hearing a lot of people are comparing this to Boxycharm. So let's see if we think the same. This is what the box looks like. The shipping, definitely a plus. It was here, gosh, today's the 16th, so not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, let's open her up and let me show you what I got. Okay. I have gotten a lot of these Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampullae, and I like Earth Harbor products, but this is just something you see in like a lot of different subscription boxes. I'm not sure if they give you prices on anything. Oh, they do. I like that. Oh, look at the theme. The Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampullae, I'm guessing is how you pronounce that. I have definitely received this before, but we're going to go ahead and put some on before I do some makeup today. Alright, I've got a new price. $40 value for this. Okay, so the Earth Harbor Marine Moisturizing Oil is $40 the value. And then we have by Crown Cosmetics, the Chubby Eye Pencil. That's cute. And this looks like it's a green, shiny, like a sparkly kind of. I'm liking that. Okay. Let's pull her out. Swatch her. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm liking it. You could use this as liner or as shadow. That works. Okay. Next we have the Porefect Primer Matte Finish Primer. Got a new primer. That was in the Eyescream Beauty. The Porefect Primer Matte Finish. We're going to try it. It's got a safety seal. Okay. Safety seal. Looks like a lotion. I would say it helps hydrate. I might have only needed this and not the ampullae. So, okay. We're going to try that out. What is the price on it? $30. Oh, the crayon thing, $10 value. Okay, next, Hickory. I guess the shade is Tahiti. This is a matte bronzer. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Oh, she's dirty. Like really dusty for some reason. This is what she looks like. I am familiar with this brand, but I don't think I have any products. Okay, so this is a little puzzling. It says it's a matte bronzer, and I swirled my hand in there. This is not a bronzer. This is like a peach color. So it's more of a blush. There's just no way you could use that as a bronzer. That's not gonna happen. I'm not mad at it, but that's weird. I guess it would be fine for certain skin tones. Anyhow, so did I tell you that had a $23 value? And now we're down to the palette. LA Splash Cosmetics Golden Gatsby Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, she has a mirror and she looks super pretty. This actually goes well with St. Patrick's Day too, these colors. I am liking this. Now, I don't know about this brand. What we're going to do is just swatch a few real quick, and then I will do more swatches over on my Swatch Investigator channel. Okay, let's see. Little powdery. Here they are here. What is the value on that palette? $34. So I will put the total cost of everything on the screen, and I know a lot of people were saying that this is good and this is better than Boxycharm, but there are a few things here that have me questioning. And the one is the bronzer that came out peach. I'm just wondering how well these boxes are going to be in the future. You know what I mean? Like Earth Harbor moisturization products, fine. I did try this out. Not a great product, and it wasn't a matte finish. This here, I'm sure will work fine. The eyeshadow palette I'm super curious about, because that's going to determine whether or not I'm going to continue to get this. But I need to know your thoughts down in the comments below. I will put the, like I said, the total of this box value on the screen. You can tell me if you think it's worth it, if I should get another box, or anything else that you might have to say. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and hearing what I have to say about this subscription box. I appreciate it so very much that you guys are here. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would take a chance on this channel and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.